They just labeled that spirit Jezebel. It was before her. That spirit was the spirit in the wife of Nimrod's wife. It was the spirit inside Nimrod's wife. That Jezebel spirit is the spirit in Delilah. That Jezebel spirit is the spirit in the wife of Potiphar. That same Jezebel spirit is what you find in the early church in Revelations 2. We read it yesterday now. You suffer the person that calls herself prophetess Jezebel to teach and seduce my holy prophets to commit fornication. Is that not what she was trying to do with Joseph? Joseph would have slept with her. They will be enjoying their time. Maybe they will poison Potiphar and he will inherit Potiphar's estate. Devil steals from people by giving them the inferior. Yes, if he steals from you, he won't leave you empty-handed. What you have is 3. He will collect 3 from you and give you 1. That's how he steals. You would think you are in breakthrough. I know people, personally, that when we're on campus, I'm saying students that lecturers used to come and sit down and listen to them because of prophetic accuracy. You get what I'm saying? Those days, we just used to, they say pale. We'll just go there and be looking and say, see how this guy, from the gate, he will remove suits. He will do like this. Somebody don't catch him. I'm not using it to insult him. You don't even know after guy. You will not even watch it. He is doing consultants now, business consultants. Devil gave him job and collected calling. Listen to me. When Saul employed David, he thought it was breakthrough. Are you getting what I'm saying? He changed the thing in his hand. He gave him a good job and took purpose and life from him. That's what he was selling to Jesus. I will give you the glories of this world. But the Bible says of things in heaven, of things on earth, and things underneath. 3 things. He wanted to give him 1. Babylon will make you forget God. In Babylon, you will be Daniel, you will be around the king. So you will think you are fine. But it's not Israel. Am I preaching to the wrong crowd? In Babylon, they will give you a new name. They will give you nice office. The forgetting God is a process. You traveled from Nigeria, you came here. In fact, what brought you here was you came with a hunger and passion. God, I'm going to evangelize. I'm going to do this. You are here now, 4 years. You are into tech. You're a shadow of yourself. You that fasting was normal for you. All of a sudden, God is not that hard. You have gone to go and search theology that accommodates your contradiction. In it. The devil didn't attack David when he was a shepherd boy. He knew he liked women. Yes, he waited for him. When he became king and didn't go to war, that's when he saw Bathsheba. When he did that thing, that was the beginning of his problem. I shared with us, the reason why Absalom wanted to kill him was the dysfunction that thing started. He slept with her and she took his peace. And peradventure you are even here. God has not buttered your bread, and you are not serious with God. You are sleeping on a bed that is not comfortable. If he gives you water bed, uncle, are you waking up? There is nothing nice about being carnal. Nothing. There's nothing nice about it. I have never seen anybody that gained from spectating in life. I've never seen. Spectators only pay. If you don't pay, you pay attention. You shall pay. So you have to come out from that mediocre, Christian, lukewarm, fireless life. Where demons are pressing you. Kai. You are 33, the age that Jesus died. Demons are still pressing you. You are not sure. Something told me at that age. You have no clear direction. What's God saying about your life? You don't know it. Looking for covering where you should be covering people. Let my pastor pray for me. Let my pastor. It's not my life. It's yours. Look at 2 Kings 15, verse 17. No, I'm talking to people here. You have to go back home and erect that prayer altar. There's too much dust there. To you, it might mean nothing. When I came back from Nigeria, this last time I came back, whose child is screaming like that? Well, it's not my child. I know it's not my child. I cry, it's not like that. So when I came back from Nigeria, immediately I came back, my wife came, opened the door. I said, can you remember? Why am I seeing this cat here? Why am I seeing this cat here? I said, don't maybe be too spooky. That week, 4 birds died in front of our house. No, 4 birds. When I came from mission. I told my wife, I said, be praying, What we are doing is dangerous. 2 Kings 6, verse 15. 2 Kings 6, verse 15. 2 Kings, I'm going ahead of that. I want you to pray. You have to get restless. For some people, you have to fight for your family. You have to break that thing. You notice patterns of people getting married late. You notice patterns of people, your dad, your mom, 3 husbands, a sister, 2 husbands. You think you will be special? You have to break that thing, my friend. God didn't love them. When it's time to have a child, probably so long. A process that should take 2 months. Anything it must delay. You have to fight. You have to fight. Let's read. 1 to go. And when the servant of the man of God arose early and went out, there was an army surrounding the city with horses and chariots. And his servant said to him, Alas, my master. Yes. He didn't say those who are with us are more than them. Look at it. Did you see it? Those that are with us are more than those that are with them. So even if it's just me and you and they are 100, If what we have in the spirit is more, we will win. That's what he's showing you. So secure that thing in the spirit realm, you will see that it will be manifested here. Lewis, there's a book I read called Talk Back. He said this. I had never heard any statement more powerful. He said there are two errors we can fall into. One, that Satan does not exist. Two, looking for him under every rock. This is not to make you no job, it's them. There's a balance. When people say Christ has redeemed us from every spiritual warfare, when he delivered us from sin, or there is nothing like generational curses, I have questions to ask. So you see my arguments.